Hi guys, I'm Elder from AIM Security, and today we're in the construction site where we installed the Ubiquiti product with the UniFi family. And I will show you share with you some 5 reasons, let's say 5 reasons why we chose Ubiquiti product for this site. Not only for this site, but for all applications. I had to do a little note, but I think that's okay. Everybody has to do them once in a while. I would say the first reason is their ecosystem. Their ecosystem unifies everything that they have, from networks to cameras to door access. In this case, it was really beautiful to do because all the cameras are a network device. As you can see, and our cameraman will show you, we are not able to run wires for all the cameras that we have on site. Most of the times we have to use wireless bridges that we call building-to-building bridge. We have one up here. And as you can see from the camera, you're going to see that all the footage from the 2 4K cameras that we have is being sent wireless to another station, receiving all that footage and capturing that and recording it. That's the beauty of unifying networks with camera systems all on the same platform. Now, we could have door access here as well, or even VoIP systems for their management team. That was not the case, but for this application, we had cameras, the Protect family and the network family. Why scalability? Today, you're just installing 2 cameras, but it's really easy to upgrade for more. Before, we used to have NVRs with 16 channels, with 12 channels, and you were limited to that. With Ubiquiti Systems, their NVR, they have a limitation on cameras, but it's just a matter of grabbing a switch and connecting more cameras to your system. Scalability is really important, and in a case like this, we did an installation with 3 cameras, but the client wants more in the future, so we have a scalability option to rise for more cameras. There are a huge selection of cameras will cover most of your needs, like from PTZs to 180 cameras to AI features to vandal proof, you name it. They have a huge selection. I'm completely sure you won't find a camera for your needs. 100% sure it's there. Two-way talking, microphones. I like to say, like, having a microphone recording is really important. Like if somebody breaks into your house, 2 people, they might share their names while they're talking, right? You never know. That allows you to correct software glitch. Like every company will have a software glitch. It's just a matter of getting those updates and fixing those issues. Ubiquiti works beautiful on that, and not only that, it brings you future capabilities for your existing hardware. Some of them I can mention, like the doorbell suddenly has a finger scanner for you to use as a door access. That wasn't existing at the beginning when the doorbell was released. Now it is. Like the integration with AI features, using the AI key as an easy way to search for the stuff you need, or the AI port for single or multi cameras like they have for now. Nothing else the client is going to pay. They pay for the hardware, the installation, the programming, the training that you provide, but they're assured that there's no more fees above that. They have their equipment, it works, it's high standard equipment, high quality, and that's it. There's no need to pay to maintain that equipment working, and it's your equipment, it's yours, and it's always going to work. We as AIM Security have deploying Ubiquiti products for more than 4 years. We have deep knowledge. Our staff is trained and certified on their products. I understand that for some IT companies or IT leaders that work for big corporations, it's still a process of understanding how Ubiquiti works or learn more about it to implement on your businesses and corporations. We will be more than happy to help you out with that and clarify any questions that you have. Feel free to give us a call. Don't forget to give a like to this channel and subscribe to Pipl Systems. Thank you.